Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious egg quesadillas. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 large eggs, 2 flour tortillas, about 1/4 cup of your favorite shredded cheese, and 1 tablespoon of butter. For an extra kick, consider adding some diced bell peppers, onions, or even a bit of cooked sausage to your filling. This quick and easy meal is perfect for any time of day. Now, let's prepare our eggs. In a small bowl, whisk your 2 large eggs with a pinch of salt and pepper until well combined. Next, melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Once the butter is shimmering, pour in the egg mixture. Gently scramble the eggs, stirring occasionally until they are just set and still slightly moist. Avoid overcooking them to keep them tender. With your eggs ready, it's time to assemble the quesadilla. Place 1 flour tortilla in a clean, warm skillet or on a griddle. Sprinkle about half of your shredded cheese evenly over one side of the tortilla. Next, spoon the perfectly scrambled eggs on top of the cheese. Then, add the remaining cheese over the eggs. Finally, place the second tortilla on top, pressing down gently to secure all the delicious layers. Now for the final step, cooking your quesadilla to golden perfection. Cook the assembled quesadilla for about 2 to 3 minutes per side over medium heat. You'll know it's ready when both tortillas are beautifully golden brown and the cheese inside is completely melted and bubbly, holding everything together. Carefully remove it from the skillet, slice it into 4 or 6 wedges, and serve immediately. Enjoy with your favorite toppings like salsa or sour cream.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.